everyone, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas and Blip Media. In this segment of Pasyal TV, we're talking about the coolest gadgets that your dads would definitely love to receive this Father's Day. I'm a dad of two boys, Pero and Mateo, and I would always find them asking me questions like, what do you want for Father's Day? Do you have a specific game you want to play with us soon? Or do you have a gadget on your wish list? Apart from my usual answer, just your love and affection, a huge part of me is actually wanting to receive something this Father's Day. Now, some of you can probably relate, but I love gadgets and playing games. It's one of the obvious reasons why I named our websites and YouTube channels Gadget Pilipinas and One More Game. If you happen to have a dad in your family who shares some of my interests, I got you covered in this first tech-focused episode of Pasyal TV. Now, what we have here are gadgets and accessories that I have been using for quite some time now. We have the Sony WH-1000XM4, Marshall Stanmore 2 speaker with Google Assistant, Huawei Watch GT2 Pro smartwatch, Tile Pro and Slim, and a 10,000 mAh Belkin Boost Charge power bank. These are coincidentally available both at Ayala Malls and at Pasyal Online. So if you happen to like one, if not all of these products, you know where to find it. Let's start with the first one, the Sony WH-1000XM4. I consider Sony to be the gold standard when it comes to wireless audio technology. I've been a huge fan of the WH-1000X series, and I've got a number of reasons why. Apart from the professional grade HD noise cancelling performance, your dad is going to experience really impressive sound quality on these headphones. As someone who loves listening to high-definition music and watching movies on Netflix on my smart TV or smartphone, having this device has been a huge blessing for me. WH-1000XM4 has this technology called 360 Reality Audio for an immersive audio experience when combined with an Android device or iPhone and a compatible music streaming service app installed, allowing you to be immersed in the music as if you're in front of your favorite artist. I find this equally useful as well whenever I go out to do my usual grocery run outside the house. Noise is effectively being blocked, which makes me enjoy the music I'm listening to. Apart from its microphones located on each ear cup that is in charge of blocking noise from the outside, it has 5 extra microphones to pick up voices easily and precisely for hands-free calls and speak-to-chat. It's pretty convenient to use too. This features touch controls on the right panel of the ear cup, plus a custom button that can let you use voice commands. It has NFC and Bluetooth, plus it offers a battery life of up to 30 hours. Let's move on to the next one, the Marshall Stanmore 2 speaker. I've been using this for almost 2 years now, and it is still my most favorite speaker here at the studio. Marshall has established itself to be one of the premium music and sound brands in the country. I consider the brand to be a very reliable companion to music lovers and audiophiles. Marshall Stanmore 2 is a product that deserves your and your dad's attention. In the sea of smart speakers available in the market, it stands out with its smart and sound features. I'm pretty sure that your dad would love to have something like this, especially if he just recently put up his own home office or study room. Now, this speaker features one 50-watt Class D amplifier for the woofer and two 15-watt Class D amplifiers for the tweeter. These are very loud speakers with a balanced soundstage and outstandingly clean and precise quality. Whether you're going to use this as your desktop speaker for PC or Mac, or a streaming device for Spotify, you'll be surprised how versatile this can be. I have recently fully embraced the AIoT life, which means I can control most of the devices in my home studio just by using smart assistants. Google Assistant most of the time. I am mainly using the Marshall Stanmore 2 as my lone voice assistant and desktop speaker at my office. It suits my 20 square meter home office perfectly, but it can be good regardless of room size. There's a dedicated mode if you're going to use its 3.5mm input, but you can easily switch it by pushing its connectivity button to your desired mode: assistant mode, Bluetooth, aux input, or RCA input. Regardless of mode, it proved to be able to produce sound at highest quality. The only thing that you have to worry about is the quality of the music you're going to listen to. Alright, let's move on to the next one, the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro smartwatch. Smartwatches are fun to have these days. They have been proven to be useful despite the pandemic with their features. Huawei Watch GT2 Pro features sapphire glass, a titanium body, and a ceramic case for maximum durability. It comes in classic and sports variants and offers a number of new watch faces including Jungle, Starry Sky, and Night Wish, which I have installed on my watch. As usual, you can download a lot of watch faces in the Huawei Health app, so enjoy switching to new watch faces every day or every hour if you want. Now, one of the things you'll love about the GT2 series is its 2-week battery life, which I have confirmed in my full review on our website. Huawei Watch GT2 series rate of discharge based on moderate to heavy usage is 1% per 3 hours. Now, based on my computation, at this specific rate of discharge, its battery life should at least be up for 12.5 days or about 300 hours. In my review, however, the GT2 lasted for 15 days. That is half a month from a single charge. And for someone who is used to charging twice to thrice per week from a previous smartwatch, you can just imagine how good this one is. Now, while this is best used with the Huawei smartphone, you or your dad can pair this to either Android or Apple devices. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is also an intelligent fitness assistant apart from being a piece of fashion. It supports up to 100 plus workout modes as well as offline navigation thanks to its built-in GPS. Health monitoring features include heart rate using the upgraded TrueScene 4, stress, sleep, and SpO2. Just in case you're not aware, SpO2 is a measure of blood oxygenation. It also boasts one-hop watch face, which means you can instantly use a photo from your smartphone as a watch face. You can even take calls with this smartwatch, assuming that you have connected this to your smartphone. It has a microphone and a speaker just below its dials. It is impressive to think that despite its being water resistant, Huawei managed to include this much needed feature. I proved this to be very useful many times, especially when I could not take my phone out during voice or video calls. Trust me, your dad will find this very useful too when the need arises. Now let's talk about these tiny gadgets that you're now looking at. These are the Tile Pro and Tile Slim. Tile has been one of the pioneers in Bluetooth tracking technology. One of my earliest experiences of this was in 2019 when I was in San Francisco, California. The bag of my friend's son was stolen and was later found about 350 meters away from us, thanks to the Tile Pro they placed inside the bag. If your dad has this ABR outlook in life that is always be ready, then having this is perfect for him. Now, this is perfect too if he would often ask you where he places his keys or wallet inside the house. Huwag na tayo lumayo. I am this kind of dad, and these trackers prove to be very useful for me. I don't have to ask or bother my wife or kids by asking where they last saw my personal things. As these devices are small and pocketable, they can be placed inside the bag and wallet. You can even attach it to your keychain so you won't have to lose your keys anymore. Now, what you do is just simply fire up the Bluetooth and the Tile application on your smartphone and you're good to go. I highly recommend getting a Tile Pro as this one has a 1-year user replaceable battery feature. It's water resistant too and compatible with Android and iOS platforms. If you want to put a tracker in your wallet, then I highly recommend that you buy the Tile Slim for your dad. I guess the only downside of Tile Slim compared to the Tile Pro is that its battery is built in, but it can last for 3 years. Now, last but not the least, we've got this 10,000 mAh Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank. Just when you thought that power banks don't have a use these days, think again. As someone who usually goes out to buy essential goods, it's important to have a reliable power source to charge your mobile devices. While not having a power bank is a life and death scenario, it can literally help you from circumstances where you'll need to call or talk to someone, or just by simply remembering what you need to buy. The Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank is especially designed for the iPhone and the iPad. You don't even have to carry around an extra cable just to charge this power bank because it uses the same cable that you're using on your device because this one is MFI certified. This means that you can use the same original lightning cable as your Apple device to charge this power bank. You can even use your lightning dock to recharge it. I don't know about you guys, but this is super convenient. Now, as a power bank, this can give plenty of power juice to your Apple devices. 10,000 mAh is like giving your iPhone a 60 to 70 extra hours of battery life, not to mention its quick charge capability thanks to its 3.4 ampere USB-A ports. Well, that's it for our special Father's Day episode here at Pasyal TV. I hope this video helped you find the right gift for your dad or for yourself. Special thanks to our friends from Ayala Malls and Pasyal Online for partnering with us. If you want to watch more videos like this, check out and subscribe to Ayala Malls YouTube channel, I Love Ayala Malls and Gadget Pilipinas. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas and Blip Media. Catch you on the next one.